Hi, Bo. I've never been this shooked in my life. Like, I spent the whole day watching the Julius Malema ruling on YouTube, of which it was like, okay, the whole country's eyes is on, wanted to find out what is he gonna be charged or not. Is he gonna be found guilty or not guilty? Now, after watching on YouTube for so long, for so many hours since 8 a.m., so many breaks, only to find out that it's being postponed for tomorrow. South Africa izinto ziyahlekisa. And even that lady, like they could have just given the ruling, then after read the reasons. And the reasons are supposed to be a summary. Why? It's like they're trying to justify whatever outcome or decision ebazophuma ngayo. Like they're trying to make it okay ukuthi abantu bangabi okay, sorry ngiyaxolisa, there's a call that came through and disturbed me, right? So lo muntu lona, it was like there was no summary. It was like they trying by all means to protect themselves, to justify whatever ruling they're gonna come out with. Be it they read whatever they're reading or not, this thing is still gonna go through a review. Be it Malema is found guilty, be it Malema is not found guilty. So just give us the ruling and get over it. And get over it. We want to see the fighters. Are they gonna be fighting for UCI siwabo? UCI siwabo. Kodwa nje inhliziyo yami beyibhorekile nje. I feel like I wasted my time and energy. That means tomorrow also I have to be listening to this ruling. Or let's just not listen. Sibabonise nje. And just wait for whoever who's going to be watching to let us know. Go say he has been found guilty or not. Because even whatever they're reading, we're not going to even remember tomorrow. You remember there and there. So they're just wasting their time. And you could see also even Julius Malema, the way corner, like he was like this the whole day, the whole time. But anyways, hi, masibukelen tomorrow and sibone ukuthi sizikhiphani.